Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you guys some of the stuff that I do to get, I guess, summer ready. We ain't gonna be talking about getting summer ready like doing workouts and doing all that craziness. I do like to get stuff summer ready in regards to like my skin, my hair, my teeth. So if you guys want to see what my summertime essentials or get ready for the summer products are, then make sure to stay watching. The first thing that I like to do to sort of get ready for the summer or for the heat and the sun is to make sure that my skin is protected. Of course, I use sunblock and everything else for the rest of my body, but my face is one of my major priorities in regards to making sure that I have SPF on. I'm not, overexposing my skin to the sun. Now that I'm getting older, I am so thankful that I have made skincare a priority for the last maybe 15 years. I stay the hell out of the sun as much as possible. So I make sure to moisturize on a regular basis. I use the Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer. Moisturizer has a SPF of 15 in it. I also combine this with foundations that have SPF, and then when it starts to get really hot outside and really sunny, I will grab the Aveeno that has the SPF of 30. A must, especially when you're in a hotter area. Like I said, I'm here in Texas, so I need all the protection I can get. Another thing that I love to do is using a whole bunch of different face masks. As you can see, this is just a portion of the face masks that I use. The Freeman is really probably my favorite. You can get this at any drugstore. I grab these from Walmart. I love grabbing the little individuals because then you can try a whole bunch of different ones and see which ones you like. When it starts getting hot outside, I usually will gravitate towards masks that say rejuvenating or detoxifying. Just feel that those are better on my skin for the summertime. It keeps my skin a lot healthier. Who doesn't like using masks? So another thing that I like to do is taking care of my teeth and the whiteness of my teeth. Like, let's be honest, you start getting a little tan, you want your teeth to be shiny and all these pictures you're taking, vacations and that kind of thing. So this brings me to the company that is sponsoring this giveaway, and they are Smile Brilliant. I will link the original video that I did with them in the description box. It has all the information on everything that you need to do in regards to using this kit. I will pop in some results from the very first time that I used it. Make sure to check out the description box for the link for the giveaway on this kit from Smile Brilliant. My results were amazing. You just want to make sure that you're only using your kit 3 or 4 times a year. So that's every 3 months or so. And to be honest, that's really the only time you need it, is just a touch up. Be sure to check out my original video on this Smile Brilliant. I will link it in the eye up here for you guys so you can check it out. I really love this kit and my teeth look hella bright afterwards. Okay, so another essential item that I like to use for the summertime is to make sure to take care of my hair and my hair color. A lot of people this time of year are swimming, they're in pools that have chlorine, which is the devil when you have hair color, or just swimming in general out in lakes and oceans. That tends to dry your hair up really, really bad. Some of the things that I like to use to help with moisture and to keep my color bright is using some of these little hair masks. You can buy these, I think, at Sally's for little packets, or you can buy these big bottles of them. I will make sure to link all the hair masks that I use in the description box below. But these are really, really good because they're deep repairs, they're smoothing if you're having problems with frizz. I love all these little types of masks. If you're not wanting or don't have time to sit with a mask, because I think some of these are only a few minutes long, you can use them for longer than that. But you can also mix a lot of these in with your regular conditioner, so you're not, having an extra step when you're taking a shower or washing your hair. Put these in your conditioner, condition your hair and deep condition your hair at the same time, and then you don't have that extra step. I also use a lot of color safe shampoos. Here's a few little examples that say color safe, color protectant. If you have, bright colored hair and you're doing a lot of swimming, or if you're out in the sun a lot, make sure to pick up shampoos and conditioners that say color protectant, or that are specifically for your color of hair that you have. There's red shampoos, there's purple shampoos, there's even blue shampoos now. Just make sure that you're taking care of your hair. That's one of my top priorities in the summer, is just to make sure that my hair is not falling out of my head, because I'm trying to grow it out now and I need every little strand I can get. Okay, and the last thing that I want to talk about is also in regards to skin. I mentioned before, I do not really go out in the sun as much. I try not to stay out very often in the sun. For one, like I said, I burn, I don't tan. I have become the queen of self-tanners and tanning creams and lotions. There are a few that I use on a regular basis. I'm quick to tell people that I fake and bake. I use tanner lotion, tanner creams. I'm not gonna be trying to tear up my skin for no tan. So, you know, these work just fine. Nobody knows the difference, and I am quick to say, no, that's a tan in a can. I don't even care. I will make sure to link all of my favorite masks down below, all my favorite tanners, all my favorite hair products that I use to get ready for the summer. I'll also make sure to link all the products for Smile Brilliant down below to check out my other video that it describes everything in regards to the kit, how you use it, you know, how my results were. Check the description box link so you guys can enter a chance to win this huge kit. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time. Don't forget to head over to Instagram at MakeupMenaree and give me a follow. I post lots of looks that you might not have seen on my channel. Lots of throwbacks, pictures of me as a baby. Yeah, a lot more personal stuff on here. So if you want to check all that out, head over to @MakeupMenaree on Instagram.